Last year, naganap dito sa Pilipinas ang pinakamalaking money game sa drag racing history. Kasi umabot sa 31 million yung overall money bet between Boss Rons and Boss Axel Teves. And now, this year, sa NGO Philippines on October 21 and 22 sa BRC Racetrack ay makikita naman natin yung dalawang teams na maglalaban sa open chain drive. Last September, nag-post si Boss Axel sa kanyang bagong race bike para sa open chain drive category. Kasi as we all know, yung CRF 450 niya na ginamit last year's NGO ay bumigay na talaga yung engine tsaka yung chassis niya. Kaya nag-decide si Boss Axel na gumawa ng bagong race bike para sa open chain drive. At ito po yung itsura niya ngayon. Bagong fabricated na alloy chassis, tapos yung swing arm niya mahaba na, bagong rim set, bagong makina, naka all-ins, rear suspension, basta all fabricated po ni Boss Axel Teves at ng kanyang team. So as we can see, naka-cover pa yung engine niya kasi hindi pa talaga natin alam at hindi pa rin sinasabi ni Boss Axel kung ano yung makina at kung ilang cc ang makina na naka-install sa kanyang race bike para sa open chain drive sa NGO. At ito na ang final look ng race bike ni Boss Axel Teves para sa open chain drive category. So as you can see, yung makina niya malaking malaki talaga. So probably nasa 400 plus cc pa rin ito. Pero hindi ko pa talaga alam kung sang motor ito galing. So we will have to wait the announcement of Boss Axel kung anong motor ang makina ang ginamit niya, tapos ilang cc at horsepower ang maibibigay sa makinang ito sa kanyang race bike. Now recently, Boss Axel posted a video sa pagtesting ni Boss Kirby Caparon, yung kanyang hinete, sa kanyang newly built race bike. So we can see here yung pag-launch control ni Boss Kirby, yung takbo ng kanyang race bike. Sa tunog pa lang ng motor, alam natin na malaki talaga ang horsepower at cc ng makina na naka-install sa kanyang race bike. So tinitesting talaga ito ni Boss Kirby para makuha niya yung tamang timpla at tamang timing, tamang feel ng kanyang bagong motor na dadalhin sa NGO Philippines. But sad to say, may mga pangyayaring hindi inaasahan na nakakalungkot. Una-una, bumigay po yung swing arm adjuster sa likuran ng kanyang motor. Pangalawa, bumiyak po yung frame sa unahan sa kanyang race bike. Pangatlo, yung rear axle sa likuran ay nagbend. But the cause of this is still unknown. Boss Axel and his team are working to find out what made this happen sa kanyang race bike. At ibang piyesa na nakakabit sa motor niya. So I think Boss Axel and his team is working out how to fix this problem. Of course, this is a newly built race bike, kaya may mga trial and error talagang mangyayari. But Boss Axel and his team are working hard to make adjustments para maging perfect po yung motor niya, and hopefully ma-fix po yung mga problema at makikita talaga natin tong motor na to na tatakbo sa NGO Philippines this year sa October 21 and 22, because everyone is looking forward to a rematch between Boss Axel of Visayas and Boss R of Luzon. All out support to Boss Axel and his team. Hopefully makikita natin tong bagong newly built race bike ni Boss Axel na tatakbo sa NGO.